see my food? Watch this big bite. Ready?
She likes them big, by the way.
Yeah, shut up. Mmm.
See that? Like a pro. Hey, you got some white on your lips, by the way. Better lick that off. Mmm. Come on. That's so good, Jared.
Mmm.
Come on. Gotta lick it. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. I ate a fourth of it though.
Mmm.
Oh, you licked lips off, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So Carolyn, how was that weight stuff? Was it good?
So.
Nice.
So good. Wait. Sorry. Is there any white stuff on my lips?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Holy. Hey, where are you going?
I think I need some more.
Wow.
Okay, here you go.
Hold on, I gotta stop. How do you stop? This video?